Girl, not you in my business again. Okay, listen, since you here, what's up, Bougie Babies? It's your girl, Susie B. Back again with another video. I told you I had some tea. I've been in the kitchen. Rest twisted like a stir fry. Wait a minute. No, because I said tea. So it's like, what's it called when you, tea bag that whole, no, that's nasty. That's Soulja Boy. Steeping. The tea been steeping, baby, and it's ready. All right, girl, let me tell you about it. Okay, friend, this is for my business owners, my entrepreneurs. You feel like you lonely, you in a boat by yourself, and you are serving the people, but you not showing up the way you should be. Listen, a lot of business owners don't show up for their business confidently because they have imposter syndrome. I'm gonna get you out your own way. Not only am I gonna teach you how to do a everyday makeup look so you can feel confident showing up for your business, but girl, we finna get a good little kiki in. Like, friend, grab a pillow, sit down. Let's talk about all the struggles of being a business owner, an entrepreneur, and trying to balance life in and of itself. Think of it like this. Like, it's like a women's empowerment conference, right? But instead of you sitting there listening to a bunch of panelists, you are the panelist. Girl, I'm gonna bring you on the show. So we are all gonna pour into each other, sit, have a good kiki, and do our makeup, girl. And guess what? It's a pajama glam. So get your cute, bougie pajamas and come learn how to do makeup with me. Oh, I only have 20 tickets, so it could be a safe, intimate space. So run over to that link in that bio and click it, girl, and get your ticket today.